QR codes are changing the way museums and exhibits engage visitors, and Unicode makes it incredibly easy to implement them. But is it really the best option? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Unicode for QR codes in museums and exhibits, the key features you need to know, and some critical things to watch out for. Plus, at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial and even some alternatives that might be better depending on your needs. First, setting up a QR code in Unicode is pretty straightforward. Once you log in, head to the dashboard, click Create QR Code, and select the type, whether it's for a web page, an audio guide, or interactive content. You can fully customize the design, add your museum's branding, and even integrate it into existing visitor materials. Next, Unicode offers real-time analytics, which means you can track how many people are scanning your QR codes, their location, and what content they engage with the most. This is great for optimizing your exhibit content based on actual visitor behavior. However, while Unicode's analytics are decent, they aren't as detailed as some other platforms that offer heat maps or more advanced visitor journey tracking. Another key feature is dynamic QR codes. Instead of reprinting signs whenever you update an exhibit, Unicode lets you change the destination link at any time. This is a must-have for museums with rotating exhibits or frequently updated information. But keep in mind that some competitors offer more automation in this area, making bulk updates easier if you manage a large collection of codes. One limitation to consider is the pricing. Unicode is reliable, but it can get expensive if you need a high volume of QR codes or advanced tracking. Some other platforms offer more flexible pricing or better scalability for museums with limited budgets. Finally, Unicode integrates with third-party apps like Google Analytics and CRM tools, which is helpful for larger institutions that need visitor data synced with other systems. However, if you want direct integration with museum-specific platforms, some alternatives are better suited for that. Now, if you're interested in trying Unicode, we secured an exclusive extended free trial through our link below. But if you're looking for better options for creating and managing QR codes for museums and exhibits, we've also listed some alternatives that offer more features at a better price, also with free trials. Click the link in the description to get access to the best deals available.